I, uh, I was asked last Thursday on what my opinion was on sex education in schools. And I stand by my answer that sex education is extremely important. When I was talking about sex education, I remembered our sex education when I was in school. At ang itinuro sa amin ay anatomy. What is the anatomy of male and female reproductive systems? Naalala ko pa, nanood kami ng video ng mga cell na nagdi-divide para maging baby. Yun ang tinuro sa amin. Kailangan talagang malaman ng mga kabataan yan. However, I finally read in detail Senate Bill 1979. And I was shocked and I was appalled by some of the elements of that. Because this is all this woke that they are trying to bring into our system. You will teach four-year-olds how to masturbate. That every child has the right to try different sexualities. This is ridiculous. It is abhorrent. It is a travesty of what sexual and sex education should be to the children. What about the parents? Wala na silang karapatan na silang mag-decide kung ano at kailan tuturuan yung bata. I'm a parent and I'm a grandparent. So I feel very strongly about this. So, let me be very, very clear. I still believe that sex education, in terms of teaching kids the anatomy of the reproductive systems of male and females, is extremely important. The consequences of early pregnancy, the prevalence of HIV, kailangan ituro lahat yan para alam ng mga kabataan. Pero yung mga sinama nila na mga woke na absurdities are abhorrent to me. And I'm already guaranteeing, hindi pa napasa ito. Pero if this bill is passed in that form, I guarantee all parents, teachers, and children, I will immediately veto it.